Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm here with Ryan. We actually just went for the Jurassic movie and we came here for lunch at workshop. It was my first time here. I'm probably the last one to come here. I think everybody I know has been here, but it's fine. Um, I like the thali. It's quite decent. I think watch and I'll explain. We are starting off with drinks here. The longer one is mine, that is an alcoholic drink, and this one's Ryan. Ryan got a fruit punch, and honestly, his review was it tastes like medicine. That is what he's literally telling me here. It tastes like medicine, which after I tasted it, yes, it tastes like medicine. I didn't enjoy my drink. I think I got the Cosmopolitan, and I've had before. I think they should do better with the drinks. And this is the thali. I mean, this is just the fish, and they are going to set up the thali later. But yeah, the drinks are a miss for me. For the thali, we had rice, we had curry, tisserus, crabs, bhaji, kismur, gulab jamun, and salt curry. The kismur, though, was quite different from what I had before. I liked everything. The tisserus were good, the crabs were good. Definitely would recommend the thali here. I like the size of the tonak, even the kingfish. The food, the thali was amazing. Definitely would recommend this.
अरे my camera is very blank.
Okay, say something. Let's test the
Hello,
mic.
hello, mic test. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. I am here with baby girl. We got our cheesecakes from
He is
Fidalgo,
pretty.
and she was trying to get shots of it. Show me. They didn't get it. There. Yep, she's got cute photos.
Filter.
I am. We actually got pizza. It's literally 12:30 in the night, and we came out. It's a Saturday. We're like, you know what? We're too young to be at home. Okay, we're just 24. Someone's turning 25 on Monday. Who's that? And I'm still gonna be younger.
Huh.
Every year I say this to her on her birthday. You're older and I'm still younger, but yeah, so it's her birthday coming soon. And we were like, you know what? We're too young to be at home on a Saturday night.
Yeah.
So thus we decided to come out. We're here at Auntie Maria. I bought her here to taste my cheesecake, the Nutella cheesecake that I had with Anita. But we wanted to eat something, so we got a margarita pizza, just something light and
Basic.
basic. Yeah, that's it. But she's getting cute photos, and I got the mic, guys. She's like, it's been 2 months since you got the mic and you still haven't used it. I'm like, yeah, today let's use it. I got it. And the other one's like connected to her. I think it's been 15 minutes now. She's trying to get a cute shot of the two
Yeah, this is
cheesecakes.
enough. See?
Yeah. Wish her happy birthday. Who's turning 25 on Monday? My girl, my girl. Say happy birthday, Samiksha, in the comment section below. pizza is here, and this is what we got. And we got my girl, and she's trying to get cute photos. So we just got a basic margarita. I don't like tomatoes, guys,
Yeah, we're
on my
gonna remove
pizza.
that
We're
first.
going to remove it. I don't know why did they put tomatoes on it. I don't know how I feel of the look of this. It doesn't look very appetizing to me, but hopefully
Because of the
the
tomatoes,
taste.
I feel. You
Huh?
don't like it.
Huh?
I feel you don't like it because of the tomatoes only, nothing else.
Yeah, but it looks very poorly made also. What do you think? Like I feel like I've seen better margaritas.
Yeah.
Okay. This just looks like they made it in a haste. Hopefully the taste stands out. But the two little cuties are waiting here for us. We will eat it later. First we're gonna eat this. Okay, we have tried to adjust the phone and try to get us both in the frame, but this is what we look like. And we're about to attack the pizza. First off, why tomatoes?
Yeah. I'm gonna remove it.
She's already picking it out. Um,
It's tomatoes, yeah.
yeah, who puts tomatoes in pizzas, guys? Who puts tomatoes in pizzas, guys? I hope you guys can hear us. But
When are we gonna throw this here only?
yeah, put it in your plate. Also, she did say it looks like chapati and cheese. So I am hoping the taste outdoes itself. Okay, outdoes the look of the pizza. So yes, the tomatoes are being picked out. She's still struggling. Okay.
Tomato.
Oops, sorry, it was about to fall off.
On cheesecake.
Cheers. Cheers. Not bad.
Not bad.
No, it is breaking apart. Is it 100? No, but I think it would be a good 60.
I like the sauce. I think it's good with the sauce. The sauce?
Maybe. I didn't get a sauce.
This
Not too bad. The taste is outdoing itself than the look.
people behind us staring with They think you're famous.
I'm famous, guys. I am
See
famous.
the girl there staring.
While on the way here, I was just telling her how a few years ago we didn't do all this, like coming out late at night, having this time for ourselves, because we're not huge party goers. And it was like, how did we get so gutsy to come out at night on our own in the rain, you guys? We are come by the bike, so we wore our raincoats. We looked like Teletubbies on the way with blue and pink raincoat. But yeah, I think we've come so far. I think even in our friendship, we started out just going little. I was on the bike because this girl here forced me to. Okay, I never wanted to ride the bike, but she forced me to. Of course, give me a review now. Review my riding. Have I gotten better? Yeah. So yeah, I have improved a lot when it comes to my riding the bike. But continue. Sorry. But yeah, we have gotten here now where we are coming to Panjim, midnight. We come far. We come far. How was it when I started riding?
That time it was scary.
Not once did she say that to me though that time, okay? Not once.
Confidence is confidence कशी break करू तुझे
पण आता confidence असा. Yeah, of course. I did. Maybe soon I'll give her a Kia bike ride. Guys,
पहिले सांगते इथून माका कंट्रोल जावचे पडलो idea.
So if there was a road I couldn't take or it was like bumpy or anything, I used to get down and tell her, no, you take this road, you ride from here.
Here, Makayana.
Gear, yeah, she doesn't know. I don't know it yet, but maybe soon. Let's say maybe an R15. No, that's too much.
That is too much.
That is too much.
Fine, आमचे. होय दामी. पण आज फुल डे खाल्लं नाही तिथं आता तुझी कथा होती.
I don't know, dude. She's trying to get to know what her birthday plans. Who does that? Just keep quiet, no, and enjoy what happens.
O'clock you told me to be ready tomorrow.
Oops. Be ready at 9 o'clock.
Late.
Okay, it is time for the cheesecakes. Of course, I've had this a couple of times before. It is baby girl's first time trying the cheesecake. So
Yeah.
let's just see how she likes it. I hope she does. Let's sing a happy birthday to her. Should we? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear bestie. Happy birthday to her.
Happy birthday to me. How?
Yeah, of course.
Cheers करूया नका.
Show the camera.
Same. Yeah.
And cheers. Hmm? Hmm? How is it? I just want eyes roll back.
So good. It's melting.
I did good. Last time,
Good.
when I came with Anita here for the first time and I saw the cheesecake, we assumed it was going to be sweet and not good, but I still took it because I love Nutella. Anita loves this, and now she loves it too, and I love it too. I did good, you guys. I did good. I don't know if I can see this view, but the way she's looking at this cheesecake, it's like as if that's her lover. Okay, she's like literally staring at it. Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. We have just a little piece left on both our plates, and we're literally struggling to finish it. Stomach is literally so full, you guys.
If I'm ready tomorrow, it's because of you. I'm sleeping nicely.
Just get up anyhow. See? Just get up anyhow.